Bitcoin is still trading sideways, and in this exact video we will talk about the most important consolidation phases on the imminent short term. I will talk about the trends we're currently spotting on the imminent short term. I will talk about the Bitcoin CME gap that is still trading above us, and there is of course more bullish news entering the market. I will give an update on my trade and of course on the larger time frame on Bitcoin. So don't forget to slap up that like button on today's update video. Let's smash it back above 600, and with that being said, let me jump straight away in towards the content. Yes, compared to yesterday, there is not a lot of new stuff that actually happened in the market, and right now we can still clearly see, if we're just looking at the Bitcoin price action and at this trend, Bitcoin is in a sideways consolidation range. We're basically consolidating sideways, and my new approach of this trading range is basically going to be like this. As soon as Bitcoin breaks below the previous low, what is in this case going to be 29.7k, I personally think we're going to go lower, and of course as soon as Bitcoin breaks above the previous high, that is the point where I think we're going to go higher. Of course, it's very simple because that is basically how markets work, and basically this consolidation phase could be ending anytime soon. Why? Is because basically if you're looking at the price action of Bitcoin right now, you can spot this clear downward sloping resistance line. We're really clearly creating lower highs at this point. So lower high right here, lower high right here, lower high right here, and once again here as well, lower highs are getting created. So Bitcoin is currently trading in a small little downtrend on the 30-minute time frame because we're also creating lower lows. But of course this is not necessarily a big problem since this is of course on the lower time frames, and if you're looking at of course the daily time frame or whatsoever, you can clearly see Bitcoin is trading in a significant uptrend. So the bias on the larger time frames are probably going to be a little bit more stronger. So you can see also that we're creating potentially an upper sloping support line, and basically what we're going to be looking at is a consolidation phase for Bitcoin. You can see it here on the 1 hour time frame. Bitcoin so far has not done anything special yet so far, and we're just waiting for the next move to happen here. And since Bitcoin moved up in approximately 15% in just a matter, I said 15, but I mean 18% in a matter of 2 days here, you do know and you could be expecting that Bitcoin is probably going to be a little bit more slowly after that, and that is exactly what we're seeing right now here. Bitcoin is creating a consolidation phase around $30,000. After we surged towards the upside, we didn't drop significantly towards the downside. No, there's a lot of trading going around this level. People are selling their Bitcoins for 30k, and people are buying more Bitcoin around this region, what is of course super good for the market structure. So yes, I don't think that we're seeing anything bad right here, and to be very clear, consolidating after you have seen a significant bump towards the upside is only making a bullish case up here, and it's only going to be making it more likely that probably we're going to see another move towards the upside. So 1 hour time frame creating another consolidation phase right here, and you can see this one on the 4 hourly time frame. I adjusted the pattern a little bit since yesterday, since we've been seeing that this level right here provided a lot of support, and last night Bitcoin once again bounced from this level right here as well. So you can clearly see Bitcoin is creating a consolidation phase, and we're basically waiting to see when the next breakout is going to be happening. You can see here Bitcoin created this gigantic downward sloping trend line. We broke above it here, created a significant move towards the upside, and right now we're waiting for the next move here. And basically if you're going to be looking at such a consolidation phase and we do break bullish outside of it, we could see a similar move towards the upside, what in this case is going to be all the way up to $35,000. So yes, Bitcoin is getting ready for some crazy moves right here, and I do know there's not a lot of stuff happening in the last week here, but this is the time to be paying attention because yeah, Bitcoin gets boring again, and you can see all these people on the internet becoming bearish again. Well, in fact, this is a super bullish consolidation phase. Of course, I want to be pointing out that currently Bitcoin is literally consolidating below resistance, and so far we've not broken the most important resistance yet so far, but it looks bullish on the imminent short term, and if we can confirm a break above the resistance, then Bitcoin is going to be absolutely flying further on towards the upside. Of course, we still got a CME gap trading above us on 31.2k. That also still needs to get filled up, so let's see if we could do that as well. At the same time, yesterday we saw that MicroStrategies bought an additional $350 million worth of Bitcoin. So you can currently see that they own more than $4.6 billion in Bitcoin, and they're up in approximately 2% on their all-time investment combined, making more than $70 million in profit. Right now, like you can see, their average purchasing price is below $30,000, and that makes that they're right now in a profit, so that's definitely a very bullish thing to see here. So giving a small update on my trade, I'm going to continue to hold it open since I expect it could be another massive breakout anytime soon if you're looking at the Bitcoin consolidation phase right now. If you want to be trading this, there's an insane bonus. Of course, you can claim a free $1,000 position on Bitcoin or on XRP, and this is valid to claim if you go to the link in the description of today's video, sign up a new account using the link, and deposit $100 within 7 days, and you can claim a free $1,000 Bitcoin or XRP position. And you could open a short or long, whatever you want here, and it's a free $1,000 for only a $100 deposit. So make sure to go to the link in the description right now here. Check it out right here, because this is a limited offer only. It's only valid for 30 days, and there's also a maximum supply of free $1,000 positions. So go to the link in the description, and it's first come first serve, so make sure to be there quickly. And of course, if Bitcoin does decide to be breaking bullish and you are in a long position, you could make even more money than $1,000 from off only a $100 deposit. So it's definitely worth it. Check it out right now and make some money with me. Furthermore, we can currently see that, of course, Bitcoin is trading against the most important resistance, and at the same time we can see somewhat of history repeating again here for Bitcoin. We're consolidating below resistance, and basically the moment we do break above it, we could start to see Bitcoin go exponential again. And basically every single time we do break above it, it is with an exponential candle. So let's see how it goes here. Personally, I still expect, I've been saying it for quite a while, there's still more room towards the upside for Bitcoin, and it will continue to say this. As well, if Bitcoin does decide to be breaking above $31,000, we're breaking above the most important resistance, making room for the cup and handle pattern, reaching its price target of $48,000. And of course, in the weekly time frame, you can clearly see last time around, as soon as we do broke the most important resistance, we went in towards an entire gigantic bull run. And maybe this is not the time we're going to be breaking it. Maybe this is not the time that Bitcoin is going to break above $32,000 and we see another rejection. But the moment we do break above this level, I can guarantee you we're going to see more exponential price action, just like we saw in 2020 and 2021 here. Further on, the last thing I want to say here is that on the monthly time frame on the MACD, we are crossing bullish, and in one day we're actually going to confirm it. And once this bullish cross occurs, we can see that basically it is a signal that the bear market officially ended here, and the monthly MACD is indicating that the sell pressure has significantly faded on the Bitcoin price action, what is of course a very bullish thing to take in account here. So that was the last thing I want to be saying here. Today's video definitely a little bit shorter. There's not a lot of new stuff to discuss here. We're just waiting for another breakout for Bitcoin right now. So thank you so much for watching towards amazing new update video. I hope to see you guys on the next one. So peace out and goodbye.